got something amazing to show you. The sun is on that panel, that one that's broken, and a little bit not on that panel and nothing on that one. Now you can hear my fan, so my fan's still good. We're pulling in 14 amps, and that's not all the panels on properly on cover. How amazing is that? That is happy. That's amazing. 14 amps. Bring on the summer. Half one, half four, guys. So the panels are completely covered. So let's go have a look. What's going on? So we've got 14 amps, just under 15. Oh, and the sun bloody goes in. I don't think we've reached more than 124 yet. No, we're still the highest. I don't know what's going on, so I think this fan's kicking in a lot later now. I don't really know what's going on there. I really don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm happy. Oh, the glare. I think then the light one got rid of the glare, I think, didn't it? Yeah, it did. I think, to be honest, if the panels could do with a clean off. Let's have a look. That one's got a leaf on it. That'll affect a little bit, but I can't get there because obviously all this. Bigger panel doesn't look too bad. That one there could do with a clean off. That one there as well, actually. Good morning, guys. Something a bit different today because it's crappy weather outside, so not going to be making much, if any, at all. Yeah, you're going to see it's a bit messy in here, and that's for one reason. One, I need to pull that out, so I need to empty it because it's all clean. I need to also pull this one off because although it's getting red hot, it's taking maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times as long to dry stuff. This here, look, that's always stuck on in here. It's just the duvet cover, okay? And we had to stick that on twice. But because the drainage of those two are connected together, we are finding ourselves, it's flowing back into here. And then what I'm having to do is take all the dishes out, get it going, put clean stuff in there, and let it wash through on a hot wash to clean it all itself out properly. But basically, what happens is where the drain comes from that one and the drain comes from this one, I've put it in a Y piece, and then it's going down to one thing like this. So what I need to do is cut this pipe down and have it so the Y piece is in here. So hopefully, the closer it gets to the drain, then the less it has this to go through. I'm trying to figure out how I can explain this. And the closer to this, the less is being held back, if that makes sense, from this. So yeah, we'll be doing that today. But yeah, no idea why this is not working properly. Oh, always. Be right back, guys. Let's try again. Yeah, so that is the plan for today. Anyway. Whoa, gotta drop my son's bike. Whoa! It's only this one here. And their room's a bloody tip. I'm not tying it up. I refuse. I tidy it up, then within 5 minutes of them being inside again, it's a tip again. So I need to clear everything off on top of here. Ooh, wrong way. And I might put that on my kid's table actually, so it's up off the floor, so I can see it about. There we go. And we'll get you set up when it's a little bit easier to. Oh my god, my hair! I need another haircut. And I'll set, yeah, like I said, I'll set you back up when I get a little bit, see a little bit more. Move it on the kids' table. It's heavy. I'm covered. Yeah. So I've just got on the dishwasher from that. So that's what I did, hoping it would flow down. As you can see, this pipe is bigger than these, but the washing machine is still pumping it and it's not going down there quick enough, and it's come back up here. So I need to undo this, feed it through, and then cut this off, and hopefully this will clamp down onto it. Hopefully, anyway. You can see certain areas here where you can disconnect it, or cut it, should I say. But I want to try and leave it as long as possible. This here is the feed by way in. The pump for this is actually the bit where you connect up to the mains. I know, weird, right? Yeah, you can cut the certain areas, but yeah, I'm not gonna, because if I do, we're gonna need it in a long length for me. See what's done to the wall as well. That because obviously the front of this can have like a front door like that on it. It's not keeping it flat and stuff like that. So it does bend open a little bit, and then hot air comes out of it, and of course hot air, steam, and that's what it does to that. So put it on there. Yeah, let me quickly grab a screwdriver a sec, guys. I need to find someone to put this water in as well, really. As you can see, there's the Y bit. I really don't want that to fall down. I really need that to stay up. So I'm just going to feed this down and in. Like so, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. Oh, I'm not on that one. Oh yeah, This one here, this is where the water drains are off, so you can either have this plug straight in to your drain, or you can look at along here, you can see the bit there, it fills up that bit there, the container there, so you can empty out there if you want to. That's that one. Now I'm really needing something to put this water in. I don't think I've got anything. So, I'll be back in a sec, guys. I think. Got something. Look at the state of it down there. Not a lot. I was suspecting a lot more than that. I'm not complaining. Right, now I need to undo this one now. And remember, this pipe here, which is connected to the outlet, or going to the drain bit, may still have water in, so be super careful. Oh, can't reach it. What's going on here? Oh, I see. Jammed on the screw. I'll put this in here. Oh, I can't seem to hold you as well as I'm not going to see if you know. I can't hold you as well as do this. So I'm lifting this up. Whoa, that was close. Got the camera side. Right, let me be back in a sec, guys. Right, found the problem, guys. Anyway, a little bit of it anyway. First off, it's blocked. Secondly, it's not even cut to be the bigger size. We're on the small size at the moment, so we're going to soon change that. We're going to change that. We are going to change it. Oh my god. I'll be right back, guys. There you go, guys. Not the prettiest, but it's no bigger. That's what we've been wanting, so. I'm now maybe looking into maybe cutting this off and then cutting this off and using this bit here to also help seal it. So let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, I found another restriction as well. Look at that. That would have not helped one bit. Don't go, I'm still here. Hold on. Whee! So let's go and slice and dice this off. Easy as that. Be nice if I could get that off as well. Let's get wood come off, but I don't know. It would be nice. Yeah, we'll leave that bit of metal like that. and hopefully this will seal in there nicely. That would almost fit inside there, look. Oh, that hurt. I'm thinking if I can get that to fit inside, then all I'll need to do is clamp that down over the top of them to try and hold it in place. But looking like a no-go. Looking like a no-go. Definitely that end. So let's grab that one. Oh, where's my screwdriver gone now? Seriously? How's it gone now? I swear I had it here. I bet you it's one of those that's staring at me. Right, it was on the floor. Actually, I've got some pipe outside. If this doesn't seal, I can just get some pipe. What I want to do is make this as short as possible, so it's got less restriction as possible. If that makes sense. That's what I'm aiming for here. That is my plan anyway. Oh, sorry guys. That's fairly secure in there. How am I going to do this? Yeah. It's looking pretty good. No leaks. Oh, nice. I was happy with that. Let's see if I can get you down here. Sorry if it's wonky, I'm going to literally hold you between my legs. You want to make sure you don't damage the seal, because it'll be a no-go else. Well, hold on. Hold on, hold on, the yellow seal. I'm just going to put it on the floor for a sec, guys. Oh, also, this seal kind of goes in, that makes sense. You want to make sure that seals up against that. Like that. Now, I'm trying to think which way is the best way to have that. Probably like that, maybe. Let's find out. That's the pump I'm on about, right here. This thing here for the dishwasher. Crazy, right? But let me go sort the other plumbing out. Right, I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to try plumbing it in with you lot on my lap. And by it I say try, because yeah. Right, there should be a pipe here somewhere. Hello? Hello? Oh, there's one. because it's coming right from the top, that is the dishwasher. So I'm going to have that one plumbed in at the bottom, I think. Where's the one gone? There should be a hole here somewhere. Right back there. Right back there. There we go. And that one, which I'm going to have through there, I think. Is for the washing machine. So because the washing machine is coming more equal to here, and the dishwasher pipe is coming from right up there, I'm going to have this one on top. Makes sense. Nice. Nice. Can I plonk you down here anywhere, actually? Don't know if it'll be easier. Yes, guys, you're right. Tripod. Tripod would be the right answer. You guys are getting good, I'll tell you that. Do that one up. Like that. And I've got another. I did have another. There it is. Which goes on the top one. Like that. I know, guys, you can't see. I apologise for that. This has been long overdue, and I just really couldn't be bothered to move everything. And then what we need to do is fill the bottom of the dishwasher up and put it onto drain and see if we get any leakage. Nice. That's what it looks like. Mother of God, we've got to move this one back yet. I'll go grab a Phillips quickly and get rid of this. So dusty. So dusty. It's all good down there. I'm wondering now if I can put this tumble dryer back on top. Yeah, and I did. I've mounted this to there. You can see screw coming through. Screw coming through. Also mounted it this side, but on some 2x1. So it lifts up this side, but it rests on it, and it still allows me to move the washing machine. Because our crappy kitchen is so bloody small, and everywhere else in this flat. Just the light, I think. Yeah. Be back in a sec, guys. Alright, apologise, guys. I'm back. As you can see, the bottom is dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pile some water in there. See if I can get you balanced on that without you go sliding. I'm going to use the pipe here, that was the old wash pipe, because the dishes won't get touched, so this is just so I can fill it up so I can see if it leaks. Don't know if you can see that building up, you might not be able to. I'm going to put a decent amount in there so I can double check that everything's fine. There we go. Remember, I'm going to do this so it doesn't turn on in the bin. So to do that, what we need to do is turn it on. You see, this is minging. It's got the reset buttons there, so you need to push that one and that one together. Okay, to 0. Done. Now what you got to do is close it up. So let's see if we've got any leaks. Here it comes. I don't know if you can hear it. Remember, it's going to be going to this bottom one here. I'm not seeing any leaks there. Not seeing any leaks there. So we could be good. And that is all the water gone. So we'll have a look round. Completely dry. Look at that one there. Completely dry. And this one here should be absolutely fine. Completely dry. This one here should be completely fine as well. There. Nice. Nice. Now what we've got to do is I've got to put stuff in the tumble dryer and move stuff at the washing machine and put the washing machine on and see if that is sorted. But I'm wondering if we've got some clean stuff for it, because if we have, then I might as well clean it at the same time. Better? Maybe? All glary. We have. So let me quickly move this stuff out and put it in the tumble dryer, and we'll go on and test it, see if this fills up water. Let's see what we need here, guys. Always use the machine empty, obviously. First ever, no, it's not first ever. For normal use, pour 50 grams, 2 ounces, put it into the soap dispenser. Well, I think what we did last time, if you look at this, that gets minging as well, and we never know how it gets so minging. God, words not good today. So, I think we worked out 2 lidfuls was about the right amount. 1. 2. Now I can't remember if it said on the hottest wash or on the like a normal wash. Read it with me. Into the soap dispenser, run the machine on a short hot cycle. Right, short hot cycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do times on this machine anyway. Okay. Time saver. I apologise for all this. There's nothing I can do about it. Oh my god, it's packed in there. I wonder if that could be the problem. You want to do temperature now? Oh, too far. 90. And this, just do it on the lowest just to get rid of it, because there's nothing in there. So lock it up, get it going, and we'll see if it goes back in. See if it goes in. So I guess I'll see you in a second. Alright, some awesome news so far. I've got no backflow back into the dishwasher. Show you this. You can't see very much of the product of that. So I'll quickly fill this up. say. It's on for getting drained out. Got one problem. Just here. That's the one problem we've got going on in our life right now. So this one is dishwasher, that one there is washing machine. But that is the only one that's leaking. So it's not leaking here, here. It's not leaking on this one, but it's leaking on this one. I can't pick this up any tighter. So yeah, I don't really know what I can do yet. No clue what I can do yet. So doesn't leak as bad when the wash machine's on again. Then obviously when the water stops, that slowly comes to a stop as well. Obviously, but I don't know what to do here, guys. Grab my phone now. I'll probably bend that one up black. Yeah, got no flow back. Not from what I've seen so far. Which is absolutely amazing. I need to take these filters out and soak them really. Yep, nothing back there. Which is what I was getting, but it was on and off as well on that dishwasher. Sometimes it would flow back, sometimes it wouldn't. Sometimes it would go a whole week without it doing it. Sometimes it would do it straight away. So I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. Gotta call it there, guys. Not much else going on in my life right now, and there's no point me taking you out to have a look because the weather's not great. It's not bad, but it's not great either. So yeah, so it's not much, guys. What can I do? But thanks ever so much for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening, morning, afternoon, depending on what you're doing, and what day it is, and when you watch this. So I'm finding loads of crap on the camera. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.